If you're seeing the Telegram error 404, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that can usually get Telegram desktop working again fast. This is a practical step-by-step guide, and we'll start with the easiest fix first, then move on to network repair, and finally, a clean reinstall if needed. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's clear the Telegram app cache. Sometimes error 404 can happen because Telegram has stored broken local data or corrupted files that need to be removed. To do that, open Telegram desktop on your computer, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, look for Advanced. Once you're in Advanced, find Manage Local Storage. This is where Telegram stores cached data on your device. Click Clear All to remove the stored local data. This does not delete your Telegram account or your messages from the cloud, but it can remove corrupted cache files that may be causing the error. After clearing the cache, close Telegram completely and reopen it to see if the issue is gone. If Telegram still shows the error 404, the next step is to flush your DNS and reset your network routing tables. This helps fix problems where your computer is sending Telegram requests through broken or outdated network paths. To do this on Windows, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the commands need admin permission to work properly. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache. Next, type netts Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Winsock catalog, which can fix damaged network settings and routing issues. Once both commands are complete, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. After the reboot, open Telegram again and check whether the 404 error is fixed. If the problem is still there, the final fix is to reinstall Telegram desktop completely. Sometimes the app installation itself can become corrupted, and the best solution is to start fresh. First, uninstall Telegram desktop from your computer using your normal uninstall process. Make sure it is fully removed before continuing. Then open your browser and go to the official Telegram website to download a fresh copy of Telegram desktop. Avoid random third-party download sites because you want the official installer and the safest version available. Once the new installer finishes downloading, install Telegram again, launch it, and log back into your account. After signing in, test Telegram and see if the error 404 has disappeared. In most cases, one of these 3 methods will solve the issue: clearing local storage, flushing DNS, and resetting Winsock, or doing a clean reinstall. If the cache fix works, great. If not, the network reset is often the next best step. And if Telegram still refuses to open correctly, reinstalling usually gives you the cleanest result. If this tutorial helped you fix Telegram error 404, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides, app fixes, and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.